Hi, in this video, I will show you how to enter RCM rent in Tally Prime if your landlord is unregistered. I will also show how to update the invoice document number correctly in table 13 of your GST return. If you are paying rent under RCM, this step is important for proper return file. So let us get started. We can create a separate voucher series for this purchase entry for rent RCM. Go to create menu, then select voucher types, name the voucher. Here I give RCM invoice supply rent, and select purchase. Here I select numbering behavior, retain original invoice number. Now select this option yes, because I want to create a prefix for this invoice series. We can give the prefix here. I will just give rent slash 2526 slash, then save it, then save the voucher. Now we need to create a ledger for RCM. Go to ledger, name the ledger rent expenses RCM. If your landlord is registered party, you need to create separate ledger for the registered party. Rent expenses RCM, select indirect expenses, GST applicable, give SAC, specify details, give the percentage, tax percentage, and this option is mandatory, applicable for reverse charge, give yes, and this one also give yes, then save it. Now go to purchase voucher to make the invoice. Select the voucher we have created already, RCM rent supply, and give the invoice number as seen on top, the same number voucher series we have created, rent slash 2526 slash 1, and select the date and select the landlord name. Full address must be there and with PAN number, and I have given the PAN number also and full address, and select the appropriate purchase ledger and select the ledger rent expenses RCM and give the rent amount and save it. Now we can go to GSTR reports, GSTR1, Alt G, GSTR1, then go to document summary. You can see invoice supplies document number here. This can be uploaded to GSTR portal while doing GSTR1. Now we can go to GSTR3B, Alt G, GSTR3B. There you can see tax is calculated, reverse charge tax tally has picked up automatically. You can also take the printout of the voucher. Take the printout of the document and get signed with the landlord. Thanks for watching the video.